Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to blur items in Davinci Resolve. So, let's get started. Okay, so let's drag this clip onto the timeline real quick. And as you can see, this is my Google Home Mini review. So, let's just look at this place right here. Say we want to blur out this part right here, the 28 and 21, where the 20 is being crossed out. So what you want to do, you want to separate the footage at the point. So let's see, it ends right here and starts around, let's see, here. So now we have this footage to deal with. We select it, go into the colors tab, and as you can see, it's already selected right here. And now you need to make sure you're in the open effects section. And then right here in the Resolve effects blur, you should see all these blurs. Right now you want to use the mosaic blur. So what you want to do, you just want to drag the mosaic blur right on top of the node right here. And as you can see, the entire thing is blurred. So now you want to click on this oval type of shape right here, and that'll open up the window tab. Right here. And then now you want to select the box or circle depending on which one you want to use. So I'm going to select the box, and as you can see, a box has appeared on the screen. Now you want to conform the box to the size of the part you want to blur out. So in my case, that's going to be right here, and you can pull this down. So now there's no saving or anything, you just need to go right back, and as you can see, this part has been blurred out. You can always go back and change it, like if I want to go back and change the type of blur, I can just go into the right here, and then lower this and move this around. Okay, so as a second example, I'm going to teach you how to track an object. So right here I have a Google tab open, and as you can see, it's being tracked with the blur, and the blur is following it all around the page. Okay, so here's our regular clip right here. As you can see, nothing is being blurred. So what you want to do, you have to make sure it's selected, and then you need to go into the color tab. Okay, so now once we're in the color tab, we need to go into window, click the square, and then take it over the object you want to track. In my case, it is this Google window that's open right here. And then you want to apply any effects. In my case, I want to do a mosaic blur, which I showed you how to put on this clip last time. And now you want to go into tracker, which is right next to it, and click the track forward button. And now it should track the object, and as you can see right here, it is being tracked, and if I go back, you can see that it's moving along. So now if we go into the edit, you can once we play it, you can see that it is being tracked, and you can't see the Google tab. Obviously for a Google tab it's not going to be that sensitive, but maybe for other things like people's faces or other things that are moving, this could be helpful. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video on how to blur. If this video helped you, please leave a like down below and subscribe to this channel to see more videos in the future.